YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today is a self-care vlog day, self-care maintenance vlog. And as you can see, I just finished washing my face. I just finished using some skincare products by Versed. So what you just saw me use was their Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm that has eucalyptus and vitamin E. And guys, yes, you can smell the eucalyptus in here, and I really love this balm because it's really moisturizing. Like when you put it on your face, it is a balm. I never used the cleansing balm before, so I really enjoyed this, and I like the packaging. I like the pink. You guys know I'm a fan of pink. So this is what I used first to cleanse my face, and you saw me like using my towel to exfoliate and stuff like that. So then after that, I applied the mask as you saw, and this mask says photos please. You guys know I like to take pictures, so it says it's a brightening tightening mask with turmeric and kaolin clay. So I've never tried kaolin clay before on my face, so this was the first time, and this is how my face looks. Like I literally just washed it off, so I just wanted to show you because I know the other parts of the video was voiceover, so I wanted to just talk to you guys and show you. Now I'm done with this. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm one of those people who like to wash my face before I shower. So when I get out of the shower and I'm done with all that business, I'm gonna use their Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution. This is like a toner. Yeah, it's a brightening toner, and it's made for dullness, aging skin, and problem skin. So I can't wait to use this, and it's yellow, so I cannot wait to use it. And it says it has 4-acid complex bearberry extract. And then after that, I'm going to use a moisturizer by Versed again, and this is Skin Soak Rich Moisture with red algae extract and squalene. I don't know what that is, but you're gonna see me apply that afterwards. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you because I'm about to hop in the shower and I need to wash my hair. It is a hot mess. I mean, it's not that much of a hot mess, but it's dry. You know, I've been wearing wigs throughout the week, protective styles. I've been wearing my own hair in a bun, but all in all, I've been taking care of my hair. For those of you who follow me, you know that I had chlorine damage to my hair because I'm a swimmer, but I recovered from it. I'm still in the process. I cut off all my ends. I'm going to do a separate hair video update, but you may be able to see the health of my hair in this video. Meantime, I have my satin bonnet on, and you can get these on my online store. All links are in the description. When I get in the shower, I'm going to be using some cocoa butter soap on my skin. I used to use this before and I totally forgot, and I did have some, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to use this again because if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. This is a very moisturizing cocoa butter bar, and it really is good for my skin. I have very sensitive skin, so I really don't need to be putting anything on it that has fragrance or anything like that. But I'll be using a sugar. This is by Be Pure, and this is a sugar coffee body scrub. I'll also be using Manuka Honey and Yogurt by Shea Moisture. This is Glow Getter Honey Mask. I'll probably put this on my neck and my chest area. Oh my gosh, this feels so good on my skin. I'm also going to be shaving, and this will be my first time using an electric shaver, so we're going to see how that goes. I've never used this before. I'm going to be shaving, exfoliating, showing you, my process, and hopefully I can inspire you to take care of yourself, take care of your body, take care of your skin, take care of your hair, everything. My nails, I have to go get them done, but I'm not going to be able to get them done today. I'll probably get them done on another day. another day, and I'm gonna go get these nails done. They are a hot mess. We're gonna get these nails done in a minute. Hey guys, I am back from the nail salon, and you might hear the AC on because it's super hot. As soon as I came in, I took my stuff off because like today didn't know what it wanted to be. Like it started out rainy, a rainy cloudy day, and now it's like super sunny and super hot outside. So yeah, it's already that transitional weather. If you watch my fashion hauls or try on hauls, I will be doing a transitional fall haul or try on soon, like a lookbook or whatever like that. I will be doing it. It should be up soon. But yeah, look at my nails. I didn't get to tape too much in the salon because today's the first time I went in and came out. No lie. Like I got there around 3:45. I kid you not, I was out there in less than an hour. I think it took like a half an hour, and so it was so fast because I didn't get my toes done. I just got my nails done because I don't have the proper shoes. Like I had sneakers on today because like I told you it was raining, so I didn't want to get a pedicure and mess it up because normally I don't get gel. I usually get regular and just let it dry. But my nails today, I got gel, and I wanted to be in and out. I didn't feel like waiting for my nails to dry, and I just got a super light pink. I wanted a neutral color, and then I just had to figure out if I'm gonna go to get my toes done. Maybe this weekend I'll get my toes done so that I could go to the beach and enjoy these last days of summer. So I have some work to do. Like I have some content that I need to plan. I have some contracts, content creator stuff that I have to look at, like influencer stuff. I have lots of proposals to go over because most of my content and influencer stuff is inbound. I actually never reached out to brands in order to work with them. They're always reaching out to me. It may change in the future, but for right now they all reach out to me, so I'm so thankful. And I will be coming out with a course on how to become an influencer. That's still in the works. I thought it was gonna drop in August, but I have to postpone the date because it's more to it than I have to, you know, it's more to it than I thought, and I definitely want to do something that's in-depth, thorough for those of you who want to learn about becoming an influencer. And you know, I'm gonna share so much with you in that course, so definitely look out for it.